The first time I felt, she was the sun on his face. She pulled him from hell. We all know how this goes. He's been there before. The world's fresh, he couldn't ask for more. Don't you remember now? Can't you see her? The chord beats deep and it pounds so well, but sound can't sustain. The song leaves lips. Wrench in your gears is a sinking ship. I put her in my song, gave her all what was, made me so confused. Was great because I had to know why we were battered, half dead. She looked me in the eye. This is what she said: you loved your music more, so much more than me. Loved my music more. It echoed in my head. I think that's what I said. She said, I think that's what she said. The second time just isn't the same. You figure shit out and you can play the game. All grown up, turn your innocence lost. Love don't come cheap, but you'll pay that cost. It still feels real, it still feels fine. No more silly games, it's business time. But there's a fault line there, another seismic shift. Things fall apart, a continental drift. I put her in my song, it's what everyone does. Made me so confused, what was her great because I had to know why we were battered, half dead. She looked me in the eye, and this is what she said: you love the idea of music, the idea more than me. Love the idea more. It echoed in my head. I think that's what I just said. She said, I think that's what she said. When you settle down, she fits right in. There's a wave of calm, forgiveness that's in. Real love is big, but you're still so small. She finds you out, you're gonna lose it all. They see the man they wish you would be. Feels like a trap, you just have to be free. This one's gonna hurt, nothing breaks the fall. You don't see it coming, but you lose it all. I put it in my songs, gave them all I was. Didn't that make sense? I was my great because it's my supposed life that's left me feeling half dead. She looked me in the eye, and this is what she said: you love yourself more, so much more than us. Love my own self more. You threw me under the bus. I think that's what they said, or said. I think that's what they said. Mr. Do it my way, Mr. No compromise. Listening for a muse in my lover's size. Caught in illusion I just never saw. Instead of falling for her, I fell for the fall. Guess I have my songs, they took all I was. Doesn't that make sense? Is it enough? Because in my supposed life, it's supposed to be mine. It's supposed to work out, supposed to work out fine. It's supposed to be mine, supposed to be me. I think I got what I want. Is this really free? I think that's what they all said. Yeah, that's what they all said. I think that's what they all said, yeah. I think that's what they all said.